consumption and production influence each other. Because when people consume more, there is an increased demand for those products. To meet this demand, producers need to increase their production. Increased production leads to more jobs and income, which in turn boosts consumption. This cycle continues, driving economic growth. However, if consumption outpaces production, it can lead to inflation, while overproduction with insufficient consumption can result in waste and economic slowdown. The culture of consumption influences production patterns. In societies where consumerism is prevalent, there is constant pressure on producers to innovate and create new products to satisfy ever-changing consumer desires. Changes in production methods such as automation or the introduction of new technologies can alter consumption patterns by making certain goods more affordable or accessible. However, sometimes after goods are produced, a lot of them are wasted because they aren't used effectively. This waste not only leads to less satisfaction for the people using these goods, but it also means that valuable resources are not being used properly. When the consumption process doesn't provide enough satisfaction, it can leave people feeling low on energy and less motivated to use it. On the other hand, if goods are used efficiently and without waste, consumers are likely to be more satisfied and may buy the product again, which results in more production. Consumption and production are closely linked, with each influencing the other in a continuous cycle. This relationship is crucial for understanding economic dynamics, social changes, and the impact on the environment.